What it do? Hope you guys are doing good. Welcome back. As you can see by the title, I have had one hell of a trading day. Now, I'm making this video a little late. I was giving some interviews for my business earlier, which went really well. But let's get right into the biggest comeback I've probably ever made while trading. So, let me get rid of this. These are the two trades that I took. I'll extend that one out for us. Boy, these were something else. So, for whatever reason, I was long today when I should have been short. So the 4 hour was bullish, actually. We had never closed below a previous low. Yeah, because this one was, this candle was still processing. On the hourly, we were bearish. At yeah, we closed bearish, and we literally inversed. All right, no, we were bullish on the hour. So we literally inversed an hourly fair value gap, and for whatever reason, I took a long because I just thought we were in heavy drawdown. We had swept some really good sell side liquidity, so I was expecting a reversal up here, which is where you see. My friends, I took like an $800 loss. We can actually see in the trade menu right here, I lost $810. That was terrible. But as you can see, I brought it back. We weren't up on the day. We're still down $25. And I'm so tempted to try and make it back. But I think me turning this into a break-even day was best case scenario. So, what did I do wrong? What did I do right? Let's get into that. So, let's go down to the 5 minute. That's where most of my time was spent. So we inverse, and I just was making a silly mistake and thought we were going long, even though we literally inversed an hourly fair value gap. And then at 10 o'clock, we inversed a 4 hour fair value gap. So that really helped me take the right trade. But you see, I took the trade here, and I think this is off a little bit, but man, I probably took it. No, I didn't take it then. I took this trade. We can see what time actually. I took this trade at 9:50, right when the macro hit. So, and I was patient, and rightfully so, but we get stopped out quick. And after we inversed this 4 hour fair value gap, I knew that we were short. And from there, I literally just entered what we call the flow state. I was just locked, just dialed in. It took like, it says I took 6 trades a day, but I'm just taking partials and stuff along the way. So I really only took like 3 trades. And bruh, I mean, it worked out in my favor. I ended up making like 700, like almost $800 back. I did make $800 back. I lost like, as you saw, I lost in total $811 a day and made back the difference. So pretty happy about that. Let's see what I did right. Once that closes, I have a pretty good idea of what the market was about to do. Like I said, I was just locked in. We could have entered really well into this 5 minute fair value gap, but I wanted to see a little bit more, price action. So I scaled to the 1 minute, and a little bit of a weird close, or I'm sorry, a little bit of a weird entry. I entered right before we closed, but it worked out. We broke structure right here with this candle to the downside, and I basically just let it ride out. And we pitter-pattered around. I was sitting in profs. I was taking profits and re-entering a trade here, but it ended up hitting full take profit and some. I did not think we were going to go this low today. I'd say that the biggest reason why I failed today was just trading during this government shutdown thing is just not a good idea at all. Also, I just had the wrong bias completely, but that's okay because I fruited a little bit of a reward. took a revenge trade, and I know I'm not supposed to do that, but today I was pretty confident, and as you see, it did play out in my favor. Now, unfortunately, I am down this week, $74, so I definitely need to make that up. I'll be trading tomorrow, but I don't know that I'll take anything. It says it took 7 trades. Or, oh, okay, 6 trades on the day. And we have the rest of the month. Uh, but yeah, the stats are starting to look better. That was my worst trade. Think about that. I took my best and worst trade on the same day. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Um, that brought my average losing trade way up. I definitely don't lose that much every time. You guys know this. My average winning trade is trash. This stat right here, go ahead and make fun of me for that. But I'm most and least profitable on. Oh no, I'm least profitable on Tuesday, most profitable on Thursday. Even though today I went into the negs. But I have a 80% win rate. I'm just taking small wins, and a big reason of that is again this government shutdown. The price action just hasn't been optimal, especially for the way I trade. So a big takeaway from this is that I need to be more patient and really narrow down when I should be taking my entries and start taking my entries more seriously and stop treating this like a game because that's not what it deserves. But yeah, I can't complain, man. I lost 800 and some change in a single trade and somehow brought that shit back. Um, almost feel like I don't deserve it. It was a tad bit of gambling in there, but like I said, I just had the confidence. Once I knew where market was going, I just followed the order flow, the trend line, and bada bing, bada bang, we made some change. I think I'm going to end up making a journaling video tomorrow and hold myself accountable and find my own journaling method. I use these videos and I go back and watch them to help me out, but I definitely want to start writing my stuff down and marking my entries a little bit better. That way I can not only get better, but I can showcase better videos for you guys. So yeah, tomorrow I would expect me to try and get out a little journal tutorial video. But really all that's going to be is just me jotting down my own new method to journal and showcasing it to you guys. So with that being said, I appreciate you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the trade recap and learned from it. Don't take revenge trades. Be sturdy on your bias, and we're going to be good. You guys have a good one. Deuces.